Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. Which attribute is used to specify whether the content of an element should have its spelling and grammar checked? The correct answer is option A, spell check. Which pair of tags is used to create an interactive widget that the user can open and close? The correct answer is option B, details and summary. What is the purpose of the HTML5 template element? The correct answer is option C, to hold client-side content that is not rendered on page load, but can be instantiated via JavaScript. How do you define a custom data attribute in HTML5 that can be accessed by JavaScript? The correct answer is option D, data-asterisk. Where must the base tag be placed in an HTML document? The correct answer is option A, inside the head element. Which attribute of the iframe tag is used to apply extra restrictions to the content in the frame for security purposes? The correct answer is option B, sandbox. Which attribute can be added to an A tag to prompt the user to save the linked resource instead of navigating to it? The correct answer is option C, download. Which HTML element is used to highlight text for reference purposes due to its relevance in another context? The correct answer is option D, mark. In the time element, which attribute is used to provide a machine-readable format of the date time? The correct answer is option A, datetime. What is the difference between the progress and meter elements? The correct answer is option B. Progress is for task completion, meter is for scalar measurements within a known range. Which global attribute makes an element's content editable by the user? The correct answer is option C, content editable. When using the ABBR tag, which attribute is typically used to provide the full expansion of the abbreviation? The correct answer is option D, title. What is a tab index equals 0 value due to an HTML element? The correct answer is option A. It allows the element to receive keyboard focus in the natural tab order. Which attribute allows you to specify a keyboard shortcut to activate or focus an element? The correct answer is option B, access key. When defining a canvas element, where should the width and height be ideally specified to avoid scaling issues? The correct answer is option C, as attributes directly on the canvas tag. To prevent a browser from suggesting previously entered values in a form field, which attribute/value pair should be used? The correct answer is option D, autocomplete equals off. Which attribute is used on a form to indicate that the form should not be validated during submission? The correct answer is option A, no validate. When opening a link in a new tab using target equals _ blank, which rel value is recommended for security and performance? The correct answer is option B, rel equals nupener. Which Boolean attribute indicates that an element is not yet or is no longer relevant? The correct answer is option C, hidden. Which value of the dr attribute allows the browser to decide text direction based on the content? The correct answer is option D, auto. Which HTML tag is used to represent user input, typically from a keyboard? The correct answer is option A, KBD. Which element is used to represent the output from a computer program or computing system? The correct answer is option B, SAMP. Which HTML tag is used to define a variable in a mathematical expression or programming context? The correct answer is option C, var. Which attribute of the block quote element is used to point to the URL of the source of the quotation? The correct answer is option D, site. Which attribute on a script tag ensures the script is executed only after the HTML document has been fully parsed? The correct answer is option A, defer. Which attribute is used to make an ordered list, OL, count down instead of up? The correct answer is option B, reversed. If you want an ordered list to start numbering from 5, which attribute do you use? The correct answer is option C, start equals 5. Which attribute is required for the op group tag to display a heading for the group of options? The correct answer is option D, label. The address element is specifically intended to provide contact information for. The correct answer is option A, the nearest document or section ancestor. Which attribute allows a user to select more than one value in a select element? The correct answer is option B, multiple. Thank you for watching.